finally learn how to make money online? Girl, I'm not talking pennies. I'm talking consistent sales, baby. 5-figure months, honey. Now, whether that's with digital products that you may have already created or even done for you digital products like Digital Wealth Academy or DBA, baby, I'm telling you, if you stick with me, I got something coming January 1st, and I promise you, you're not going to want to miss out on it.
Baby, there's nothing I won't do to spend my life with you. I'll give my all to you.
My name is Sierra Janae, and I'm a wife and mom of 2, and I've recently cracked the code when it comes to online marketing, and now I'm on a mission to help other moms do exactly the same, where they can start earning those 5-figure months consistent. Over the past few years, girl, I went from working a 9 to 5 on top of trying so many different side hustles to now earning 4 times the amount just by mastering online marketing and done for you digital products like Digital Wealth Academy and DBA. And now I'm ready to share everything that I've learned and that I know inside my new mentorship community called Mom's Method. Now look, girl, this is not your typical mentorship program, baby. This is a step-by-step hand-holding experience where I will show you how to launch, promote, market, and sell your digital product. And this is no bullshit. This is real strategies that actually will work. Now, here's the best part. If you join now or before January 1st, you will lock in the lowest price that my mentorship will ever be. Because, baby, I'm telling you, after January 1st, the price is going up to $177. And I promise you, you're gonna be mad if you don't get it now before the price goes up. Now look, this is your chance to get some expert guidance, learn high income skills, and finally see consistent online income. If you have been struggling to figure out online marketing on your own, or you're finally ready to hit those 5-figure months in sales, now is the time to take action. Click the link below, lock in your spot, and get ready to kick off the new year with a proven plan for success. I'll see you inside, mama.
Open my heart, give it to you. Tell the whole world that I'm in love with you. Whatever you want, baby, I'll do. I know I